up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We up in the garage today. Today is about to be a great day. I already can feel it. Like I told y'all last night on the last video, we did everything we had to do for the 2015 Roadglide that's headed to Sacramento. So now it's game time. We about to go ahead and get it final and complete. Put the last final pieces on there, go for the test ride, see how good it run and start. Yesterday we finished up the clutch line. We got the clutch engaging super strong and tight. That was amazing to see because I'm telling you, I done went through so much stuff with these bikes to be crazy. The last time I had the clutch problem, I had my boy Ali Fool with a 2 on Instagram help me when I was sending off the Texas bike to Joshua, Texas, when me and my dad drove out there. So it just be crazy going through the ups and downs, trials and tribulations, because it only get easier the more you do it and go through the same thing. You get to perfect yourself every time. So now we got all that said and done. We about to finally go on the test ride, hopefully. So stay tuned for that today. Without further ado, I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, for real, like for real. We are almost sold out of this giveaway. So I already posted on my community page. I'm gonna do it again today. So I'm telling you on the video. I'm about to start making a list of numbers because we only got oh so many hats and patches left. Like I said, I only put 25 each, 75 in total. So we are almost selling out at the last final spot. So get in to win it while you can. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. That's why I said I'm gonna start making my list today because we have a possibility of finally selling out and going live tomorrow, which I would love. So that's why I'm in an urge to get the numbers ready and all that good stuff. Another big topic y'all was trying to get on me, y'all was getting on me on was if I was gonna do the computer or the tickets. And honestly, I was gonna literally do the computer because it'll be much more faster and efficient than how last time when I was in Texas with my boy, everything's regular. We was out there doing the numbers. He even helped me because I was out of breath in my mouth, so tired and whooped, but it don't matter. I'm gonna probably do the numbers because everybody want that. Let me know in the comments below if you wouldn't care for the computer generated or if you want me to do the numbers by hand. I kind of already know, but I just want to see everybody's own opinion and preference in the situation. So that's that. With that being said, we about to get to it. Make sure y'all enter the winner to the Silver Bullet giveaway. We only got so many spots left. We got first place with our 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with our 2019 Roadglide. Fresh painted, powder coated up, looking good. The motor's on the way with the custom rims and everything of that sort. Second place, we got our 2015 Roadglide, looking good. We're gonna have the certain parts powder coated. We're gonna have a lot of chrome on that bike, cleaned up, looking good. And we're gonna have that nice wet paint. So stay tuned for that. I'm about to bust that bike down later today. I would have done it earlier today in this video, but I had to focus on one thing at a time, getting this other bike riding and going. So stay tuned for that, man. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up talking. So get in and win it while y'all can, man. We sliding. Yes, sir, man. We done finally made a lot of progress on this bike, y'all. I don't know if everybody tuned in everything I was doing because I know the time-lapse work a little fast, but one thing I can honestly say that I'm loving is this right here, this oil, the oil cooler little piece. I love that it's painted. I got to get this sensor right there, so I have to zip tie that so nothing happened to it, but that's for the oil pressure. But this is super nice. I love to see this like this with this all powder coated. Then you got the red washers. This looks super dope. So I'm excited, man. I'm loving the way it came out. We got the whole rear brake assembly looking good. I actually had a rear brake in the backyard, so that was that. We got that nice and settled and done. We got the brake working, so it's pumping back and forth. We got the black levers back on here. I got some chrome mirrors on this joint I had in the backyard. We got to go ahead and wash these up. Got a lot of bugs on them, but we got it going though, man. We got all this stuff tightened down, looking good, so everything is nice and intact. Everything is on the way, looking a lot much better, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all ready, but we got that GoPro, baby. And I got my other 360 camera that's gonna go back there. Cause like I told y'all, my GoPro is broken, but we gonna do what we can do. It's a 360 camera, but I can still use this back lens recording me on the bike. So that's gonna be that. And then like I said, I got the other camera back here, another 360 is gonna get the whole peripheral view of everything. But like I said, man, we're coming together. We got this thing on the way, looking good. I'm excited, I'm loving it. We are finally about to deliver this bike to the winner, man. I am amped up, feeling good. I know this bike is about to run like a champ and a beast. We got to get that last light that is irritating me. But we are looking good, looking that much better, man. I'm telling you. This dude won this bike for $50. And I know it's been time since he won and about to get it. I don't care. He's getting a nice product that's going to be well worth the wait to where he'll be able to finally enjoy it and just get on and slide. So that's the whole motive and everything with that. So with that being said, man, let's get on our bike, get this helmet, or let's get on the winner's bike, get this helmet and get on our way, man, because I can't wait to see what this motor feel like, dude. Literally, I've been waiting for so long, and it's finally game time, man. This is my satisfaction right here as the builder. When you do all this work, all this time, all this money being spent, everything, all the headaches and all the trials and tribulations, and it's finally game time to finally ride the bike. So let's get to it, y'all. We sliding, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's so crazy. I'm really over here nervous right now. It's always how it is, but I gotta be the one to make sure it is right before I send this bike off to anybody and have them risk their life. I'm gonna risk mine. So let's get to it and roll this thing out. I'm gonna set y'all up. Like I said, the tripod is broke, but we about to do what we gotta do, man. We done finally got this thing outside, looking good. Yes, sir, baby. I see it. We're still missing the front fender, but I see what it is, baby. See what it is, baby. I'm loving that little cooler. Yes, sir, man. Finally got it unlocked, fuel on. Try one more time. It's crazy, this battery dead now. I've been starting this shit every day. I'm about to figure it out though. So hopefully it starts. Come on. Why the fuck is this battery so dead now? That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm so pissed off. Like, that's why I be saying, it's always something. It took me so much energy to push this heavy ass bike up from down there in the garage. I don't even know, like, I've been starting this bike every day. That's crazy. Now all of a sudden the battery dead when it's finally ready to go. It's always something, I swear, dude. Like, I'm about to go ahead and chill out, restart. It's not about to ruin my day. I don't even know how irritating this is when you're really determined to get some stuff done, and then it's always something like this, the most dumbest thing that could possibly happen. Like, all this other big serious stuff I done taken care of, a lot other stuff could have happened, but all things a battery. So, I got the battery charger right here, just plugged it up. So, we're letting this thing charge up because it's already a good battery, and I still got those other good batteries. So I'm trying to let this thing juice up so we can restart and go for a first ride. But y'all see what's going on, man. I'm literally beyond irritated and mad right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I love to be amped up and all that, but that just threw my whole day off. I wanted to go on the first ride, now I gotta wait. So I'm about to get my day going. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. I gotta get these powder coated parts for the 2019 Roadglide. Then I gotta come back home, start stripping the second place Roadglide, getting that thing powder coated, get that painted to the paint shop. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have all this stuff on the way, but most certainly this red bike is out of my garage this week. So stay tuned, man. This thing is about to be up out of here and on the way, y'all.